KPM. Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
Doctor, please help me.
Yes. What happened to your cat?
My cat is acting weird.
Okay, just put it on the table.
It is not acting well. It's not playing well. It's not eating well. I don't know what's wrong.
For how many days?
3 days.
3 days? Okay, let me check.
Okay.
It is, in good hands. Okay, maybe.
I'm so worried.
Relax. Okay. I have some news for you.
What's wrong?
You are pregnant.
What? Tapi.
You are pregnant?
Yes, Kaka. Yes, he called me.
He says I'm pregnant.
Oh my goodness, congratulations!
I'm so sorry. I just want to say that this cat is pregnant, not you.
How can the cat be pregnant? It's a male cat.
It's a male cat and the male cat is pregnant?
Wait.
This doctor is weird lah.
Hey, I think we should go away lah.
Go to another clinic.
Take this cat away.
Wait, my client. Wait. Wait.
Or for those of you watching, this is Teroka on Didik TV KPM together with me, Sean Steven, as your host. Now, before I begin, again, I want to remind each and every one of you to always follow the SOPs in place in our battle against COVID-19. For example, wearing the mask, you got to wear it properly, covering your nose and also your chin all around here. And be sure to always wash your hands frequently. Make sure you wash your hands with both soap and water. And when possible, also use your hand sanitizers to keep those germs away. Aside from that, be sure to always keep a distance of at least 1 meter apart when you are among other people. And as you saw earlier, we actually had 2 people with us. Let's bring them back in, our teachers for today, Madam Yani and Mr. Hafiz.
Oh,
Hello.
why do we have just one cat?
Oh, all right. Because I only have 1 cat at home.
We have a lot of animals, at Zoo Negara. We can bring giraffe, elephants and a lot more.
Wait. Don't get too overexcited. But today, we are not going to learn about those animals. We are going to learn about farm animals.
Oh, okay. But before we proceed further, how about we practice some SOPs first?
Yeah.
Yes, I'd like to invite you to use the hand sanitizers on the table. And please make sure to keep at least 1 meter distance apart.
Yeah.
I think here is about 1.5 meters.
Yeah.
And now we are in a safe distance to take off our mask. Let's go. All right, so now we can see all our handsome and pretty faces.
Yeah.
Okay, so we actually have a special compartment, whether you have a special, what we call a case, or even a bag that you can keep your mask. So be sure when you remove your mask, keep it in a safe place, whether it's in a bag or even in your pocket, but do not leave it around on the table, on the floor, on your head. Please don't do that. Keep it in a safe place. All right, so before we begin, now we can see our faces. I'd like to invite you to introduce yourselves once again.
Okay, so my name is Mr. Hafizuddin. I'm from SK Jengka 12. And I think this is our first Teroka session, right?
Yeah.
So we are the faces of Teras and now we are changing flavors a bit.
Yeah.
So welcome to
Experimenting.
the first Teroka show.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Miss Yani.
Okay, I'm Madam Maryani Devi binti Iskandar Shah Samy. I'm from SK Tiudim Subang. All right. I think that's all.
That's all. Okay.
We reserve some comments for you.
Yes. Okay. And aside from that, we also have some special guests that are with us online.
Yes.
Let's have a look at who they are. Hi, good morning. Hi. All right, so we have 6 wonderful students with us today. I'm just going to mention your names. Hi. I'm just going to mention your names, and when I mention your name, please introduce yourself, your full name. Yeah?
Just say hi.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're going to start off first with Putri.
Yeah, the ever-famous Putri.
Hi, Putri.
Hi.
Okay, Putri is here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and next we have Zarif.
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 Wave your hand, Zarif.
Zarif. Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, Zarif is here.
Thank you, Zarif. We also have Sophia.
Sophia.
Sophia Humaira.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay. Niklesh.
Niklesh is here. Hi, Niklesh.
We also have Nara.
Uh-huh.
Hi.
Okay.
And also Shafiq.
Shafiq. Hi, Shafiq.
Hi,
Okay, but
Shafiq.
before we begin, again, when you're meeting with your friends, make sure you don't shake your hand. So what we're going to do is together, I'm going to put your hand on your chest, over here, and just say good morning to our wonderful teachers again. So 1, 2, 3, good morning, teachers.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, girls and boys.
Yeah.
All right. Now that we have got to know each other, and obviously the subject for today is on farm animals, right?
Yeah.
So what
Yes.
exactly are we going to touch on for this topic of discussion?
So we are going to look at how do we spell
Yep.
the animals when the number changes.
Oh,
when we have
okay.
more than one animal.
Okay.
And we are going to learn about the places. How do we describe when they are somewhere?
Okay, that's very, very
Right.
interesting
So
for our...
basically, we have
Yes.
numbers and the positions.
Right.
Right.
Okay. So this is for our exploration for today.
Yes.
But before that, I just want to let you know that what's happening right now, this is in conjunction with Teachers Day. So we actually have a campaign called #Terima kasih Cikgu. It's the same theme as last year, which is Berguru Demi Ilmu, Bina Generasi Baru. And we have received so many wonderful cards from many pupils all around Malaysia. And this is actually one of them that we have chosen to read out to you. Take
Wow.
a look at
So
that.
colourful.
Wow.
It is so, I cannot say smaller, it's actually really big, it's enormous.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
you can
bigger
see
than my
all...
face.
Very colourful, very attractive.
Yes, this is from Maria Ashumaira.
Humaira Nuratri binti Mohamad Rizal.
Thank you so
Okay.
much for this card. There's a special message over here.
She's from?
She is from
stated
SK
there.
Padang Pekan
Pekan Daerah Kubang Pasu Kedah.
Pasu Kedah, my
From your
hometown.
place.
Yeah,
But
that's
I
right.
think we are doing something about Kedah, right?
Yeah,
today.
later.
Later.
Don't reveal the surprise
I
yet.
think she will be very happy.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you so much for your card. And of course, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all the teachers out there for all your hard work and dedication in nurturing and also educating all of us. Thank you so much, teachers. From the
Where
bottom
are
of
our
my heart.
prizes?
welcome.
You get it after during the
Okay.
break. So
It's not
talking
yet
about
Teachers'
break,
Day.
how about we take a short break and we'll be back to you at Teroka at Didik TV KPM. Don't go anywhere.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
Welcome back. You are now watching Teroka on Didik TV KPM together with me, Sean Steven, and also our two wonderful teachers, Mr. Hafiz and Madam Yani. For today, we will be exploring the subject of farm animals. So, without further ado, let's begin our exploration.
All right, we have something different today.
Oh.
We are first time attempting to sing
Oh,
in the show.
wow.
Okay, sing. Okay.
So please
okay.
excuse our voice.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Still the morning voice. Okay.
Trying. Yeah.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes,
Okay, this is a surprise for our producer actually.
Oh, is it?
Ah,
Oh, we're doing it now.
So this song, yes,
Okay.
this song is dedicated to our producer,
Okay.
Pak Azman. Okay,
wow.
ready? Okay.
So we're going to sing it together.
Yeah.
I'm going to sing
Let's
as well.
wait for
okay.
the music.
Yeah, just
Okay,
wait for the
excuse my
music
voice.
first.
Okay,
Wow.
Okay.
All right, so
Okay.
I think...
Need to warm up. Old Pak Azman has a farm in Baling
Hi from
Kedah.
Baling.
And on his farm he has some cows. They are big and fat. With a moo here and a moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo. Old Pak Azman has a farm in Baling Kedah.
Old Pak
Azman has a farm in Baling Kedah. And on his farm he has some ducks. They are small and white. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Old Pak Azman has a farm in Baling Kedah.
Old Pak
Azman has a farm in Baling Kedah. And on his farm he has some goats. They are cute and fun. With a baba here and a baba there. Here ba, there ba, everywhere baba. Old Pak Azman has a farm in Baling Kedah.
All right.
Is that it? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I thought we were going to go for
Oh.
10 verses.
You're
huh?
breathless now.
Yeah.
I think we
Wow.
can just stop the show now.
All right. So
Okay.
actually, I was homesick. That's hence the Baling Kedah.
So you're from
Yes.
Baling Kedah.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
My
Okay,
family
okay.
are watching me now.
Oh, okay. Is there really a
alright.
farm there?
No,
Oh,
no,
no, I
we
don't know.
don't.
She is a city girl, by the way.
Oh, okay.
All right.
So let's carry on with the exploration.
Okay, so today, as
Yeah.
we said earlier, we're going to find out how do we differentiate when the animals are one or
Yep.
more. All right.
Oh,
Okay. So
okay.
in this activity,
Yes.
okay, we are going to pick a number of animals there.
Okay.
All right, and then the kids over there. Hi, kids. Are you ready?
Hey.
All right. They need to write the spelling. As you can see on the board there, we have cat, duck, buffalo, and so on.
Yes.
So they need to rewrite the spelling when the animal is more than one. I need the help of Mr. Hafiz. Okay, you can pick how many animals you want there.
Oh, really? Okay.
Okay.
So let us check with the kids.
Okay.
Are you ready with your marker or your pencil with paper?
Okay.
Okay, ready? Can you show
Okay,
us
can
the paper?
we demonstrate for them first?
Okay, let's go.
Okay, Mr. Hafiz, you start with number of the animals.
Number of animals?
Okay, you pick the first one. Maybe the,
first
cat
one.
there. Okay.
Okay.
Just pick the animals.
Oh, the ones here.
The animals.
okay.
Pick
Okay,
how
I
many.
just... Oh.
Be careful, be careful.
Be careful. Early in the morning. Yeah.
A bit too strong.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is this?
So, how many cats are there?
Cepat.
How many cats are there? We have 1, 2. All right. So what they have to do is they have to. Okay. How do you spell cat?
C-A-T.
Okay. We spell cat C-A-T. This is when the cat is only one.
Only one.
Okay. How does the spelling change when the cat is 2? More than one. What do you do?
Is it like cat because there's two cats?
Yeah.
No.
Oh,
So,
no. Okay.
normally we would add an S there. So it will become
Cats.
cat.
Oh,
So the kids have to write the spelling.
Maybe you can hold it a little bit longer
Okay.
for our camera to
So they have to write the
show
spelling. They have to
those who
add
are watching at home.
the S here. Okay?
Yes.
Okay? But Sean, over there,
Yes.
you can also try it on the board.
Okay.
So we have the letters here.
Okay.
Okay, whether to add S.
Okay, so we already have the first answer,
Okay.
which is C-A-T-S.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay. So when the number changes more than one,
Yes.
the spelling changes.
Ah,
Okay.
Okay.
But not always.
No?
So we keep the surprise
Wow.
later. Okay, can we continue with the next animal?
Yes.
Okay, are the kids ready?
Okay, are you ready, kids at home? Okay.
Ready.
Okay, Mr. Hafiz,
I'm
pick
ready.
the animals.
Okay, I want this.
Be careful, Mr. Hafiz.
Okay, no need to worry. I take everything.
Aha.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Let's start with what is that?
The cow.
The cow. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
So I have
That is not the cow.
not the cow.
Ah,
Oh, sorry.
Aha, that is a different animal there.
I can hold that for you if you
Okay.
want. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, wait, this is...
That is
Oh, wait,
different.
wait, this. Oh, okay, yes.
Okay. All right. So, how many cow are there? Niklish, can you answer how many are there? 2?
2.
Okay, now I want everyone to write the correct spelling for 2 of the same cow. So how do you spell?
2.
Write the spelling on a
So
piece of paper.
C-O-W.
Sean, you can try it on the board.
Okay.
Okay, where's the cow?
Where's
cow
the
is there.
cow?
So here, I'm not going to reveal my answer just yet.
Okay.
I'm going to wait for,
For
any
them?
of the students
Okay.
to write down. So
Okay.
it's C-O-W.
Yeah.
C-O-W.
it's-
Do you need to add anything?
Okay, if you're done, you can put up the paper so we can see your answers.
Okay, I'm going to
Okay,
place
Putri. 2.
Okay, Nara says, okay, Nara, put up.
That one is Shafiq. Shafiq is cow.
Cow, C-O-W-S. Okay, Niklish got it correct. Cows.
Yes.
Okay, let's
Well
see.
done.
Where is Humaira?
Oh, wait.
Humaira?
Okay.
Very good. Sean,
How
how
about
about
Sean?
you?
Let's check with Sean.
C-O-W-S. Cow.
Very good.
Very good.
My Tambi is mine.
Ah,
Okay, the next animal, please.
okay, the next animal. Oops.
So what do we have here?
I want. Ooh.
The,
Be careful.
the animal that
Hafiz.
goes...
Okay. So this one like.
So what are these?
Okay.
Horse. There are
How many
There are-
horses are there?
3 of them. Okay, spell the number. More than 1. There are 3 there. 3 horse will become... Okay, write the spelling.
Horses.
Write the spelling and put up.
I think they are discussing among each other. It's a good thing. Yeah.
Okay, put up. Okay, let's see. Putri.
Putri, remember more than
That
one,
is more than
Putri.
one. What do you add?
What do you need to add, Putri?
Shafiq, are you done?
Done.
Okay, put up the paper.
Okay, Nicholas is done.
Nicholas got it correct. Horses. Okay, okay. Zarif, correct?
Shafiq is correct
good.
too.
Okay, we are waiting for Humaira.
I think also Putri. Has Putri answered yet?
Yeah.
Okay. Nara, good. Sean, your turn, Sean.
Okay,
Oh, my
now
turn.
it's
Yeah.
Sean's turn.
Okay, so HORSE for singular or one.
Oh, just
Uh-huh.
one.
So if more than one, I believe the answer should be or add on an S.
Yeah,
Is that
correct.
right?
Yes.
Yes.
But the spelling, even though the spelling changes, but the pronunciation also is a bit different.
Oh, okay.
Even though it's horse, we
Yep.
say horses.
Horses.
Horses. Okay.
Horses.
All right. The
Okay.
next animal.
Okay, so we go
Let's
with
try the difficult
something. Okay, difficult one. So I go with this. It's not a cow. This one is not a cow. Yes.
It's a bit different.
It's a bit different. It plays with the mud.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it is a buffalo.
Buffalo. So
So
I have two, more than one.
Okay,
So
write
what
the
do you want to
spelling.
add? Buffalo.
FS.
okay, can you put up the answers?
I think they are still discussing.
Okay, Shafiq.
Not yet.
Okay,
More
Putri,
than
there
one,
is only
Putri.
one buffalo. Make it more than one.
Now we have two.
Okay, Zarif. Okay.
Wow. Zarif is correct.
Okay, Nara said BUFFLOS.
LOS.
Something is missing there.
Okay,
Okay,
Putri,
Putri, BUFFALOS. Missing
just
a
add-
letter there. Okay,
Something
Sean.
is missing.
Sean.
Yes.
Okay, try.
Okay. So I believe the answer should be BUFFALOES.
Yes.
Ah.
When a word ends in O,
Yes.
we add ES. So it becomes buffalo.
Okay, can we just repeat it again?
Alright? One buffalo, many buffaloes.
Yeah.
Over here we have two, so two buffaloes.
Thank you for the repetition.
Alright.
Two
Okay, can we try
buffaloes.
another one?
Okay. I want this
this
one. I go with
Ah.
this one.
Okay.
Yes. When we sing right about goats, but now we are singing about this animal, the fluffy one.
Okay, the fluffy one. It is called a
Sheep.
sheep. With the long vowel.
So if we have
sheep.
two,
Okay, how do you spell if it's more than one?
yeah, more than one.
Heaps. Sheep.
I only heard hips.
Heaps. Yeah.
Is that an animal?
Yeah.
No.
No. Okay.
Maybe a new
Okay,
animal.
spell it out. Put up. Let's check.
Can you show us your answer?
Sheep.
Okay. Zarif add an S. Shafiq add an S. Okay, let's try
Okay,
with
we
Sean.
check with
Okay, let's check.
Sean.
Okay. Now I'm
Yes.
doubting myself.
Yeah.
But
Let's
I
see.
actually saw a video just
Alright.
online a couple of days back.
Okay.
Okay.
So if it's one sheep, it's spelled this way.
Uh-huh.
If it's more than one sheep, so for
Uh-huh.
example two, it will be sheep as well.
Very good. So for sheep, it doesn't change its spelling.
Oh.
Yeah.
So we have the regular ones, which are adding an S.
Yes.
And the irregular one that doesn't change the spelling.
So-
one sheep, many sheep.
Yeah. It's
alright.
like a fish.
Uh-huh.
One fish, two fish, 1,000
It's
fish.
always fish.
Oh,
Yeah.
I assumed it was fishes. No.
Yes.
Fishes when you have different types
Like furniture,
of
we'll
fish.
say furniture.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's more
alright.
like a
Okay, I
general
think we
term.
need to just rectify with the kids.
Okay?
Yes,
So
yes, we
kids, no S for sheep, yeah?
No.
One sheep, many sheep. No changes. Okay? Good? Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Shall we move to the next one?
let's go.
Okay.
Yeah,
Pick
so we
another
still have,
animal.
Pick
we
another
still
animal.
have rabbit, duck, and
Okay,
chicken.
I want Because now it's fasting month, right? I choose something that I like to eat now.
Now, okay.
Yeah.
Remember your
Okay,
fasting.
this one.
Okay. What is that? Almost everyone's
Yeah.
favorite food.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Okay, write the spelling. We have 3 here. So how do you spell it?
Cock, 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 cock.
Write the spelling, Zari.
Okay, we have 3 chicken. Ah. Yeah, I think discussion is very
Yeah.
heated.
Yes, but it's good also I can hear an adult voice in the background.
Yeah,
so
they're
it's
being
good to have.
accompanied by their
Yes,
parents.
that's right. It's good to have interaction between the parents as well as the
Yes.
kids. No, it's better or it makes
Okay,
learning
Shafiq
better.
said
Yeah.
chickens.
Chickens.
With an S.
With an S.
Okay, Sophia said
Okay.
chickens.
Chickens. Okay, who else?
Nara, Nicholas.
Chicken.
Nicholas,
Okay.
remember we have 3 Nicholas.
We have 3 here. So, very good. You add an S.
Ah.
Okay, Putri, good job. Chickens.
Yay.
All
Okay,
right, very
Zarif
good.
is right. Okay.
Okay, Sean?
I
one is
will
the easy
copy the
one.
student's answer.
You-
So Chickens.
Okay, another one, please.
Okay,
Okay.
so before we proceed further, how about we take a short break and we'll be back to you at Teroka at Didik TV KPM.
Didik TV KPM.
Kepada semua yang bergelar pendidik, terima kasih kerana mengajar saya tentang adab dan ilmu sehingga saya menjadi orang yang berguna. Selamat Hari Guru.
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
We are back at Teroka at Didik TV KPM together with me, Sean Steven, and also our 2 wonderful teachers, Madam Yani as well as Mr. Hafiz. The topic for today is farm animals. As you can see over here, this is prepared by Madam Yani and also Mr. Hafiz. You can see all the farm animals over here. We have buffaloes, we have the, what's this? Oh, is this a...
It's a
It's
dog.
a
Oh,
dog.
I thought it was
Yeah.
a fox. What did the
Yeah,
fox
it's a
say?
dog.
And then we also have some sheep. Yes,
Okay,
that's right. Sheep. I'm
good.
using it correctly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a duck over here, a duck floating on the water.
Yeah.
And yeah, so many farm animals
Yeah.
that we are going to discuss on today. And also I see there's a chicken that's positioned at this part
On the
rooftop. On the
rooftop.
roof. Yeah. So that's
Yeah.
something that we will be
Why is it on
exploring
the
right
roof?
now.
Yeah, something, right?
Yeah. So our focus next is to mention the location. Okay, where are they placed at? Okay.
Yes.
So the 3 magic words that we are going to learn now is on, in, and under. Okay.
On, in, and under.
Okay. Shall we try that?
Let's go.
Okay. On, in, and under. Let's try it again.
Okay.
On,
On,
in,
in,
but we are fasting, eh?
Ah.
Under.
Under.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's how we are going to do today.
Okay.
So since we are doing on animals, okay. For example, I have a. What animal is this, John?
this is
A
rabbit.
white
A
animal.
rabbit.
Yeah.
Okay. A bunny here. Okay.
Yes.
So this is on. Okay. We have a chair here.
Okay.
Okay. So when I put the bunny, it is on the chair. Okay. The rabbit is on the chair. Okay.
Okay.
So the same rabbit goes down here.
Oh.
We change the location. It becomes under. Okay. The rabbit is under the chair. Okay. So the rabbit now hopping and hopping and hopping moves into the box here. So what is the word here? It is. What is it? Putri.
In. Putri?
In. Very good. So the rabbit is in the box. Okay, got it? So we try it again.
Okay.
Okay. The rabbit is on the chair. The rabbit is under the chair. The rabbit is in the box. Okay. All right. So now we are going to try with a different animal.
Go with the big one.
All right.
Go with the big one.
Go big
I
or go home.
love the hair.
Yes, I also love the ham. I'm so jealous right now.
Yeah.
All right. What
We are
animal is
missing a lot.
this?
Yeah.
What animal is this?
My Little Pony?
No, it is not too little.
Too
It
little.
doesn't look like a pony.
Someone answered just now. Who said that?
Okay, what is it? A horse.
horse.
So how do you say if the horse is more than one? Again? I taught you the pronunciation. Horses. Very good. But today we are going to look at just one horse here. So I put the horse here. Okay. So where is the horse now? Zarif.
Something here.
Zarif. The horse is. The horse is
On
the.
the chair.
Very
Yes.
good. Now the horse goes inside here. Okay.
What
Oh my
happened to
God.
the horse? Oh my.
Okay. Now let's ask Putri. Where is the horse now?
The horse is inside the box.
Very good. The word is
Yes.
in the box. Okay. Very good. Now the horse hops out and moves under the chair, which it cannot fit.
Maybe too shy.
All right. Let me place it there. Okay. Now
Yes.
let's ask Nara. Nicholas is laughing at
Yeah.
me. Okay. Nara.
Is under the chair.
Very good.
Okay.
Give a clap to Nara. Good job.
So how about another animal?
Okay, some of you keep this animal at home. It's a very loyal friend, they say.
Ah.
Okay, what animal is this? It is a?
Woof, woof, woof.
It is a?
No.
Maybe.
Bark, bark.
It's a dog.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, now I put the dog here. Where is the dog now? Let's ask Humaira.
In the box.
Yes.
I want the whole sentence, please. The dog.
The dog is.
Is in the box.
Very
Yes.
good. Okay. Now the
It
dog
hops out.
hops out and then goes here. Where is the dog now, Shafiq?
The dog is under the chair.
Very good. Smile a bit, Shafiq. Don't be too serious.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Now this dog hops on here. Okay. Where is the dog now? Okay. Who haven't tried yet? Niklesh. The dog.
Is up the chair.
Niklesh. Take a deep breath. Okay. Try again.
Is up.
The dog.
Is up
No, the
the
dog.
chair.
The dog.
The dog is up the chair.
Not up,
It's
my
not
dear.
up.
It is
On top the chair.
Wow.
on the chair.
On chair.
Yeah.
The dog is on the
Yeah.
chair. Again, the dog is on the chair.
The dog is on the chair.
Very good. Job well done.
Wow.
All right.
Who lets the dog out, by the way?
Okay, so again, I
Yeah.
repeat. We have on, we have in, and we have under. Okay? Now, we are going to try with different animals. Here we are going to play a game. Are you ready?
Oh, I love
Yes.
games.
All right. Okay. Now, the next one.
Yes.
Okay. We are going to
Oh, we have
Try.
some special stuff
Yes,
under
we have
the
a
table.
lot of things. Now she is under the table.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
hiding under the table.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you
So-
going on top of the table
No,
now?
I'm not. Okay.
Okay.
So we are going to play a game. Okay. Before coming here yesterday, I already given a set of pictures for the kids.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah.
It looks like this. Shall I remove the chair?
Yes,
Is it blocking
please.
the view?
Okay,
Okay,
don't
put the
better.
worry.
chair.
Now the chair
Okay.
is under the table.
All right. So still we are focusing on these three magic words. Okay. On, under, and in. Okay. But we are learning about farm, right?
Yes.
Like just now the model there.
Can you explain
Okay,
a bit
where
about
is
the farm?
Okay, we have the animal here. Okay,
Yeah.
now let's try with the chicken. Where's the chicken now?
The chicken is here.
It is?
Where's the chicken?
It is?
The chicken.
The chicken is? What is this?
On.
Yes, very good. The chicken is
Yes.
on the roof.
Well
okay?
done.
On the
On the
roof.
cow shed. Okay, now, so we are going to practice using the same words.
Okay.
Now, you have this picture, right? Can you put up the picture for me?
Show it to us in front of the camera.
Can you put up the picture? Okay,
There we
very
go.
good. So this is Sean. What can you see in this picture here?
I see a barn. I see
Okay.
trees.
All right.
And I
Okay,
see...
but we are learning about animals, right?
Yes.
Where are the animals?
Oh, no. Are
They
they
have
swimming
disappeared?
under the
Disappeared?
water?
They are missing.
They
Yes.
are not at their place.
So now is their job
Oh.
to place the animal.
Okay.
Okay, so we are going to read the sentence strips and understand and place the animals here accordingly into the farm.
Ooh,
All right?
wonderful.
Okay, now let's try the first one. Okay, how about Mr. Hafiz?
Okay.
You pick the paper and
I
read
pick
it
a
out.
paper?
Pick
Yeah.
a piece of paper, the sentence strip.
Okay.
Let's read together. Okay, can we read together, kids? Okay, 5 sheep are in the pen. Okay? But I think I need to explain first the words here.
Yes.
This is not this pen. There are certain places in a farm. Okay? So for example, this is as Sean said just now, this is a barn.
Yep.
Okay? We have a haystack here.
Okay.
Okay? And this is a pen.
Okay.
Okay? A pond. And this is a tree.
3.
Okay?
Okay.
These are a few places in a farm.
Can
okay?
you repeat that?
Okay, we have a barn, we have a haystack, we have pen, we have a pond, and a tree here. Okay?
Alright.
Not this pen, this pen. Okay, where you keep your animals.
Okay.
So now, back to the sentence. 5 sheep are in the pen. Okay, I need you to pick the correct number of animal and put it to the correct place. Can you do it? Okay? Okay, do it now. Do it now. You can paste the animal. Okay.
So,
Go back to the number. Okay,
Yes.
how many were there?
5.
Okay, so we need to count.
Okay,
What
we
animal?
need to check. What animal
What
is
animal?
that?
A sheep. Oh,
Okay.
5 sheep.
Sheep. Okay, so let's count the sheep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So now where they are? Where are they now?
They are in the pen.
Okay, where's the pen again?
Is it the orange one? The yellow one?
No, this is a haystack.
No.
Is it the blue one?
The blue
No,
one?
it is not. It's
The
a
red
pond.
building?
No, it's a barn.
Must
So?
be something with the,
The fence.
Yeah,
It's fenced
with
up
the
so that
fence.
sheep don't run away.
Yes.
So this is a pen. So what do we do now? We put the sheep into the
Yeah,
pen.
so they are
Okay.
nice and safe.
Yes.
Let's also see while Madam Yani is doing that. Let's see whether our wonderful students have already completed. If you have completed, you can already show your answers to the camera in front of you. If you haven't, it's okay. Take your time. You want to make sure that your answers are correct. But if you are, or if you have already completed that, you can show that in front of you.
Okay, I think Putri
Alright.
is done.
Okay,
Wow.
Putri is
Okay,
done.
so she has 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Very good.
And it is very aligned.
Yeah,
Yes.
she arranged it neatly better
Very
than
well
me.
trained sheep.
Better
Okay.
than my sheep.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, very good. Shall we move to the next one?
Okay.
Okay, wait, let's just see. I think everyone else is showing their answers. You can do a quick one.
Okay,
Okay,
Shafi.
five.
Very
Correct,
well done.
5.
I think
Okay.
Nara has 5 sheep
All right.
in the pen.
Zarif, are you done?
Oh, wow.
Okay. Humaira is done too. Correct, 5. Okay, 5 sheep in the pen. Niklish? Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, keep on counting. But don't count too much, you'll fall asleep.
A lot.
Too many
of
sheep, you'll fall asleep. Okay?
I think while waiting for Nicholas to complete his, we can already proceed to the next
Okay,
animal.
now let's try with the next sentence.
Okay.
Okay, Sean, this one you need to read it out.
Oh, I have to read out.
Yeah.
Okay. A chicken is on the roof. A
A chicken is on the roof.
Yes.
Okay? First, you must look at the number.
Okay.
Okay, how many?
A chicken.
A chicken means
1
1. So 1. Where is the chicken now?
is on the roof.
Okay. So now you need to place one chicken on the roof. There's only one roof there. Roof of the barn. So where? How do you put it? Shafiq, are you done?
Roof lah betul.
Putri is done.
All right. Putri got it correct. One chicken on the roof.
Yes.
Nara is good to go. Humaira, very good. Shafiq, we are waiting for you. Are you done?
Niklesh, if you're done, you can also show it to us. Shafiq.
Yeah.
Well done.
Okay, Shafiq is done. Very good, Shafiq. Zarif.
Wow.
Remember the number of chicken. How many chicken are there?
Wonderful, Niklesh.
Ah.
So I can also see the 5
Okay,
super.
very good.
And
Okay,
also 1 chicken.
even though I give more than 1 chicken, but
Yep.
you must be
Clear that it's only
only one. So
one.
pace according to the sentence that we read just now.
Yes.
Okay. So 1 chicken goes on the roof. All right. Okay. Done. All right. Can we move to the next one?
Yes,
Okay.
please.
All right.
Oh.
Okay. Ready for the next sentence?
Oh.
This is a long one.
Yes.
Okay.
3
Okay.
cats are on the haystacks.
Aha. So first, find the numbers. How many are there? Okay, how many cats are there? How many cats, Shafiq?
4 cats.
4 cats.
4.
Are you sure?
3 cats.
3 cats. Okay, where do the cats go? Where do you place them?
On the haystack.
On the haystack. Okay.
Madam Yani, I
Yeah.
actually forgotten which one is called or are the haystacks. Which one is the
Okay.
haystack? Can you show it to us one more time?
Okay, this one is the haystack.
Those are the haystacks.
Yeah.
Okay.
The yellow
Normally,
one.
we are not really used to haystack because in Malaysia we have grasses all year long.
Oh, yes,
Because
that's
of the
right.
climate, so we
Yes.
don't keep our dried hay
Yep.
to haystacks.
Yes, sir. And
this
hays
is
are made out of
especially-
dried grass, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Because
Okay,
in the
Putri
winter
is
the
done.
livestock need to feed on them.
That's right.
Okay. All right. So how many again? There are 3 cats. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wow.
7 cats here.
Oh, wow.
But we are only picking
3.
3.
Okay,
And put
Shafiq
them.
is right. Nara is correct.
All right. So we have.
All right, show your answers one more time, all of you. If you have completed, just show it to the screen. Show where your cats are.
Okay.
Okay.
Niklesh has all the
So
cats,
we have
the 3
1, 2,
cats.
3 cats on the haystack.
Well done.
Good. All right.
I think we have time for one more.
One more.
Do we
All
have?
right. Okay.
Yeah.
I think I want some, with water element in it.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
We try.
Okay.
If you get it.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's read the sentence together. Okay.
6 ducks
Aha.
are in the pond.
All right. So how many ducks
The
again?
number first.
Get the number and get the position. Okay. So where are the ducks?
In the pond.
The word again.
Pond.
In the pond. So how many ducks are there?
6.
6.
Some of my ducks is missing.
What?
What
You don't have
happened?
enough ducks?
Yeah. I think it flew away.
6.
Yeah, one flew away.
Okay, never mind. So I'll put remaining 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Miss Yani, here's
Yeah.
one of your ducks.
Okay. Now I have complete 6.
Yeah.
Okay. So 6 ducks are in the pond. Are you done?
Okay, I can see
Okay. Humaira is done.
Umaira is done.
Very good.
Dan Maryani.
Shafiq, yes, my dear.
A question.
I don't have enough.
You don't have
en-
enough.
I
Maybe
think your duck runs away.
Ran away with my duck.
I have just 5.
It's okay, my dear.
I think they ran away.
Your duck eloped with my duck.
Elope. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Niklesh got it right. Very good.
Just
okay.
pretend that you have 6 ducks.
Okay.
Yeah.
There, he found it.
Oh,
No.
Right.
Okay, very good.
Very well done to all our pupils online.
Okay.
Very well done. Before we proceed, how about we take a short break, because after putting the animals into their positions,
Yeah.
a bit tired, right? Let's take a
Yeah.
short break and we'll be back to you at Teroka at Didik TV KPM. Don't go anywhere.
Didik TV KPM.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all my dear teachers. Today, we celebrate such a special day for all the teachers in Malaysia. I would like to take the opportunity to wish to all the teachers Happy Teachers Day. There's no word to describe how thankful I am to know many awesome teachers since day one of my school. Guided me when I was lost. You supported me when I was weak. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for all the knowledge, sacrifices, kindness, dedication, and commitment. You are our unsung hero. Allah always bless and guide you. Lastly, terima kasih cikgu. Thank you teacher. Syukran ya mu'allimah. Xie laushe. Arigato sensei. Happy Teachers Day. 小问声啊 Sensei 你好 Bye
Didik TV KPM. Didik TV KPM.
And we are back at Teroka at Didik TV KPM together with me, Sean Steven, and also Madam Maryani, as well as Mr. Hafiz. And for this part of our exploration for today, we are going to explore Pak Azman's farm.
Yeah, this is Pak Azman's farm.
Where are we
Alright.
going? Pak Azman's farm.
Okay, all right. So now this is the farm. Okay, remember the 3 magic words? Okay, what are the magic words again?
On,
On,
in,
under.
Under.
Okay, so now let's recap the names of the animals first.
Okay.
Okay, so we have, what are these?
Oh, these are new. We haven't
Okay.
mentioned
This is a new
what
animal.
animal is that?
Okay, this is belongs to the horse family, but a bit shorter.
Okay.
Okay, let's ask Humaira. Do you recognize this animal? Humaira? Can you see this animal here?
It is very famous in the movie.
Aha.
Pony
A pony? No.
sort of.
Maybe
not really.
I can give a hint.
Starts with a D.
Yes.
Ah.
It goes like hee-haw. Something like
You
that.
can make the sound.
Yes,
Very
from
good,
Shafiq.
Shafiq.
Well done.
So we have donkey, we have sheep. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, the one playing solo here. Nara, what animal is this?
Sheep
No, these are sheep. This one is not sheep. What is this?
Go
Ah, okay, good. Okay.
Goat.
I hear gold. Yes.
Okay, what animal is this?
Alone.
Alone, no friends. Dog.
That's
Okay.
right.
How about these two? Remember when you it becomes more than one? Buffalo. Very good. Buffalo. Okay. Under the tree here, what animal are these?
Buffalo
These are
Horse
horses. Okay. On the bridge, what is that? On the bridge.
This one.
Ah,
Goose
goose. Very
A
good. The
goose.
duck is there. The one in the water is the duck. Okay. That is a goose. Ah. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to make sentences. Okay. Let's start with the first one. Okay. Just now you said donkey, right? Okay. How many are there? Shafiq,
Two
can you please count them again? How many donkeys? Are you sure? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, there are 4.
cannot see closely
Okay, never mind. So we have 4 donkeys. Okay, they are. What is this?
4
4 of them are.
donkey
Where are they?
4 of that
They are on.
4 donkey
On.
on the grass
On the
Yes,
grass.
on the grass.
Okay, Okay,
Grass.
on the
Very well
grass,
done.
on the farm. Okay, how about these two that we left out just now? Okay,
Yes.
these two
Okay,
here.
we just do one more before we move on.
Okay.
To our next part.
Where are they? Okay, the one inside here. These are cows. Two of them. Okay, this is on, in,
On,
or under.
in.
It can be in, it can be under, depends. Okay, so you want to say in. Okay, what place is this? It's a
Roof.
cow shed.
Cow
Cow
shed.
shed. Okay, the cows are under the shed.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Very well done. So
Okay.
before we end today's lesson, maybe our
Are we
teachers.
ending seriously?
Okay.
Yes, we're having so
So
much
soon.
fun.
Oh
so
no.
much fun.
We have a lot of animals to cover.
Yes.
Okay.
I want this. Who wants to cover this horse?
Okay, so before we end, maybe we can get Mr. Hafiz as well as Madam Yani to give a summary of what we have learned today.
Okay, so based on the last activity, we
Yes.
covered both of the important part, which are the numbers.
Yes.
Okay, the numbers when there is more than one,
Yep.
normally we would add an S, but
Yep.
there are sometimes the situation where we add ES or the spelling
Okay.
doesn't change.
Uh-huh.
And be careful of the position where they're in. Okay,
Ah.
so the three magic words that we learned today are
On,
In,
in, and under.
All right, very good. Okay, Mr. Hafiz.
Miss Yani, just be careful. Don't put, your fingers
Inside.
straight. It is still fasting month.
Okay.
Okay, this is my favorite horse, by the way. Okay, so kids, so remember, so we have the positions in, on, and under, and then whether you want to have like more than one animals, for example, one sheep, and then it doesn't go with two sheeps.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Alright.
it's a different thing with the sheep. Yeah, the actual sheep.
That's
yeah.
not sheep, but it's sheep.
Ah,
Yes,
Different.
Right. Thank you so much again, Mr. Hafiz, as well as Madam Yani.
Thank you
in
for
our
having
lesson
us.
for today, our exploration for today. And of course, special thanks to our pupils that are online. We have Putri, Nicholas, Nara, Zarif, Sophia, and Shafiq. Thank you
Yeah.
guys so much. And again, as a reminder, don't forget to always follow the SOPs in place in our battle against COVID-19. And we will see you in our next episode at Teroka at Didik TV KPM. Bye! See you soon!
Bye. Bye.